I'll be showing you the top Facebook ads Shopify apps so you can decide what's the best fit for your store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews. The first app we're taking a look at is called Easy Ads for Facebook Ads, and it's going to help you launch a full advertising funnel on Facebook and Instagram extremely quickly. It's going to make it super simple to set up, from syncing your products into Facebook and Instagram, setting your campaigns up, finding the best target audience, and then automating your ad optimizations for you. And it's going to push your prospects through your funnel at different stages to help get the maximum amount of conversions with no need to set up any ad creatives or audiences. You're going to create laser targeted audiences as well using AI. And you can also offer coupons to people on the fence. In terms of pricing, there is a 10-day free trial, and it's going to start at $29.95 per month and go up to $49.95. And on the basic plan, you're going to get the done-for-you advertising funnel and the automatic Facebook and Instagram ads setup. In terms of reviews, it's sitting an excellent 4.3 stars with 379 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary, merchants appreciate this app for its easy setup, user-friendly interface, and seamless Facebook integration. The support team is also noted for their prompt and helpful responses, and many have seen an increase in store visits and sales shortly after using the app. The second Shopify app we're taking a look at is called Facebook Ads, Google Ads, and AI. So it's also going to run Google Ads as well, using AI to create, run, and optimize your ads. You can get quite a few features such as an AI campaign builder, AI optimizer, AI ad copy, AI video ads, AI segments, and BI analytics. It's going to help you create better ads 10 times faster and generate engaging ad copy with ChatGPT. It's also going to have AI optimization, so you can easily set your goals, have budget optimization, bid optimizations, and you can share budgets between Google and Facebook. You can also supercharge your marketing with video ads created by AI, all to help increase conversion rates. You're also going to get business intelligence, so you can leverage the power of your store's data for better acquisition. In terms of pricing, there is a 14-day free trial on the paid plans. And so the plans are going to start at $150 per month, and they're going to include a set amount of ad spend across Facebook, Instagram, and Google search. So depending on the price point you pay per month and the amount of ad spend, it can go up to $325 per month. And there's also their premium service option at $14.90 per month. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.6 stars with 360 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the AI summary here, merchants highly value this app for its AI-driven ad campaign optimization and real-time analytics. It's also got a user-friendly interface, dual platform functionality, and autonomous operations. The third app we're taking a look at is called AI Ads. It's also going to work for Facebook and Google, and the full app name is Enhancer. So it's going to allow you to sell more with AI ads to help grow your Shopify store, and is only going to take 3 minutes to launch. It's going to work for more than just Facebook as well, as you have Google, YouTube, and TikTok. And it's a self-learning AI that's going to automatically make the best decisions, so you get unparalleled optimization, budget-friendly ad solution, and enhanced personalization. And its AI lookalike is best in class, at least according to this here, and it's going to help find the best new customers that are going to help grow your business while providing you with higher returns and more sales. It's also going to allow you to make informed decisions, such as giving you advanced customer segmentation. It's also going to do remarketing too, by analyzing more than 200 plus human behavior actions on your website, ensuring every dollar you invest goes towards the right audience to help fuel your business's growth. In terms of pricing, there's a free 14-day trial. And the small plan is going to be at $149 per month and up to $1,500 in monthly ad spend, along with a 0.99% fee on ad revenue. And it's going to go up to $399 per month for up to $6,000 in monthly ad spend and a 0.79 fee on ad revenue. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.6 stars with 42 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the latest 5-star review here, this merchant says the potential of this app is awesome. It's going to allow you to save time and money while not having to tweak audiences, and when this app will find you most engaged and likely to find purchasing customers. And if you're a smaller store like they are, you'll need some time to gather data and decent sample sizes, so some patience is warranted, but after a few weeks, they can already see an improvement. The fourth and final app we'll be taking a look at here today is called Socio, Facebook Ads That Work. And it's going to make it easy to create and manage Facebook and Instagram ads, so you can boost your ROAS with personalized recommendations. So you're going to get an overall dashboard, so you can get a quick snapshot of your paid marketing performance, as well as in-depth data for each available metric. It's going to help brand your catalogs here, so we can see without And with this app, it's also going to give you different templates for creating these catalogs, and it's going to provide predictive recommendations based on your first-party data, so you know exactly when to shut or scale an ad. In terms of pricing, it's going to start at $2.99 per month, and these are going to be for stores with under $50K per month in revenue, and it's going to go up to $7.49 a month for stores with monthly revenue between $200 and $800K. And all plans include their entire selection of advertising tools. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.4 stars with 146 5-star reviews. And according to the AI summary, merchants highly value this app for its robust features and ease of use in creating and managing sales as well as marketing plans. They appreciate its ability to create a marketing plan based on social platforms and desired post frequency. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations so you can truly understand your store's performance. It's going to include everything from your cost of goods sold to your ad spend to your transaction fees and more. And it's going to lay out everything in an easy to understand dashboard with tons of different analytics and metrics, letting you make smarter business decisions. There's a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself, and you can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left here. There's also a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing page directly. So this is going to conclude the video on the top Facebook ads Shopify apps. Let me know in the comments which one you're planning to use, or if you have any other recommendations. If you enjoyed this video or it helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below, as it really helps the channel out. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.